You can see how cheesy this is.
Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi and welcome back to my channel For the Love of. I am back with another video. This is a food video and I think this is the first time I am going to share a recipe. I have a lot of disclaimers, so beginning with the first, I am not a chef guys. तो मैं एक सैंडविच की रेसिपी आज शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंटली एक दिन बस बना लिया था with the ingredients that were lying around my house, and so I thought, and it turned out to be really yummy, and one of my friends suggested me to share this with all of you, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Secondly, अगर बैकग्राउंड में बहुत ज़्यादा बैंड बाजे की आवाज़ सुनाई दे, that is because नीचे से कोई बारात जा रही है, so please excuse that or just dance to the tunes. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? So yeah, I hope all of you are keeping happy, healthy and grateful and you're ready to see a really tempting video. It's so easy and very basic. So let's go. It's a sandwich, but actually मैंने sandwich का कोई नाम नहीं रखा है. It has cheese, veggies, Szechuan. You're going to see what all it has, and at the end of the video, let's try and name this sandwich together maybe. So let's go to the kitchen and let's get started with our sandwich. So I'm going to make this sandwich. Although मैंने ये sandwich का कोई नाम नहीं रखा है, randomly एक दिन मुझे भूख लग रही थी और जो भी ingredients थे घर पे मैंने वो सब collect करके ये sandwich बना लिया. And by chance वो बहुत अच्छा बना है. एक दिन मेरी एक friend घर पे आई थी and she said I should definitely share this recipe with everyone because she liked it. So Anshika, if you're watching this, this is for you and thank you so much. I hope all of you like it too. So जल्दी से start करते हैं. I am going to tell you first कि इसके लिए ingredients क्या क्या चाहिए. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Very basic ingredients जो आपके घर में भी बहुत easily available हो जाएंगे. So the ingredients that I have taken for my sandwich are 2 tomatoes, एक छोटा सा क्यूट सा खीरा and just 1 onion. You can obviously add any vegetable of your choice, जो भी आपको add करना है. For butter, I always use this garlic and herbs butter क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा extra flavor आ जाता है. Then salt, obviously I have taken some काला नमक and black pepper. Black pepper is a must for this sandwich क्योंकि उससे बहुत अच्छा flavor आता है and मसाले के लिए मैंने सिर्फ यही लिया है. Then I'm gonna add some cheese slices. So if you want to make it like a बहुत ज़्यादा cheesy, आप obviously cheese then veggies and then cheese लगा सकते हो, or you can also take the cheese grate करने वाला cheese cubes और आप वो भी add कर सकते हो. Then Szechuan chutney, which is the most important ingredient of this sandwich क्योंकि सारा flavor इसी से आता है. I'm not going to use any other ketchup or anything. And for bread, I have taken this 100% whole wheat bread by Britannia. That is it. Again, it's completely up to you. आपको क्या add करना है. मैं अपने sandwich में सिर्फ यही add करती हूँ. I also add mushrooms, but आज घर पे थे नहीं तो I'm not adding that. So let's get started with making our sandwich now because I'm very hungry. Let's begin with chopping the veggies. I have cleaned all the veggies. Everything is sanitized. Don't worry. And make sure whatever you also get, सब पहले अच्छे से धो लेना, उसके बाद चॉप करना. तो अभी मैं चॉप करके आती हूँ and then I'm gonna get on to the recipe. Alright guys, मैंने खीरा टमाटर प्याज चॉप कर लिए हैं पतले स्लाइसेस में. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take the bread. So I am going to take 2 bread slices to begin with. I have taken out a plate. Spoon हमें चाहिएगा Szechuan चटनी निकालने के लिए and then butter knife for butter of course. So what I'm going to do is सबसे पहले पैन निकाल लेते हैं. तो सबसे पहले I am going to put some butter on the bread and then put it on the pan ताकि bread में दोनों साइड butter अच्छे से लग जाए. So I'm going to put the butter and then बहुत लो गैस पे ही मैंने रखा है, लो फ्लेम पे ही रखा है, ताकि बटर ऑल्सो डजंट गेट बर्न्ड. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक टोस्ट इट ऑल्सो, डिपेंड्स कि आपको कितना क्रिस्पी चाहिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही आप करना. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द चीज स्लाइस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द चीज स्लाइस हियर. तो गाइस मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब मैं चीज स्लाइस लगाती हूँ ना, आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू पुट द चीज स्लाइस इन द ओवन फॉर लाइक 5-10 सेकेंड्स, ताकि चीज हर तरफ से मेल्ट हो जाए. बिकॉज गैस पे पैन पे वो इतनी अच्छे से मेल्ट नहीं हो पाता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू एग्जैक्टली दैट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट टेक दिस एंड पुट इट इन द ओवन फॉर लाइक 10 seconds. Seems like our cheese has melted well. Now we're going to put our toppings, beginning with the Szechuan chutney. So ये आप अपनी जितना आपको चाहिए उसके अकॉर्डिंग डालो. I just put like 1 spoon and then spread it all over the cheese. And guys remember, इस सैंडविच का सबसे ज्यादा टेस्ट ये शेजवान चटनी की वजह से ही आता है. So be generous with it. जितना आपका मन है उतना डालो. Now we're going to put the veggies. So first I'm going to place our kheera. I'm going to layer it up with that. I think this is enough. Then tomatoes. I personally really like tomatoes in my sandwich, burger, everything. Lots of tomatoes. And some onions. Onion का मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा rings निकाल के I'm just gonna place it around the sandwich. Now another magic ingredient, black pepper. मैंने ये ग्राइंड करने वाला लिया है, आप सिंपल ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर भी ले सकते हो. So I'm gonna crush that over this. अब थोड़ा सा काला नमक एंड थोड़ा सा नमक. एक्चुअली आप नॉर्मल व्हाइट सॉल्ट स्किप भी कर सकते हो, बिकॉज वी हैव काला नमक और शेजवान सॉस में एनीवे सॉल्ट होता ही है. बस I'm going to cover this up. This again is going to go on the pan for like 5 seconds. And हमारा डिलिशियस चीज शेजवान वेजी सैंडविच रेडी हो जाएगा. You can hear bread कितना ज्यादा crispy है. Oh my god, I just want to finish this up right now. You can see how cheesy this is. I'm just gonna plate it now. Oops. Our cheese veggie Szechuan sandwich is ready, as you can see. एंड ये देखने में बहुत ही ज्यादा टेम्पटिंग लग रहा है. मैंने एक ही चीज स्लाइस लगाया है, बट इफ यू वांट आप दोनों साइड लगा सकते हो. Go crazy with it. Whatever you want to add, whatever you want to remove, go ahead. Also, I am going to make my sister taste it, and she's sitting outside. She has never tried this, so let's go and see what her reaction is going to be. So guys, let's welcome our very first guest on my channel, and that is my sister, my cousin sister Bharti. Please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Bharti. Nice to meet you. Like and subscribe.
Thank you. How excited are you to try this yummy sandwich that I've made?
Pretty excited considering that I've never had it in the first place. So yes. And I'm pretty hungry, so looking forward to it. And it looks yummy, of course. I can't wait. Can we eat it?
Yeah, sure.
Which one
Please
has
let
more,
me know.
Which one has more cheese? Because
I think this one.
dips.
Oh no.
Yes.
I wanted that one.
Dips. Okay.
टेस्ट करके बता कैसा है.
Wow. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इसमें इतनी फिलिंग होगी, बट इट्स
Wow, okay, honestly, getting that reaction from her is a big surprise for me because she is always so picky about things. And so, do you like it?
I think the cheese and the Szechuan sauce, is it?
Yeah.
I think I taste that makes the sandwich. I think I can see why it was the most important ingredient.
So, have you tried this combination before? Cheese and Szechuan sandwich?
Actually, no, not that I can't recall. मुझे actually याद नहीं, so maybe इसके हाथों का तो नहीं खाया है, so obviously. So ये combination actually काफ़ी interesting है, काफ़ी unique है, and surprisingly काफ़ी fulfilling है, because it has
Yeah, it's
3
actually.
vegetables.
Ha.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, so I have just put on 3. Usually I add bell pepper and mushroom, but we didn't have that today, so I didn't add that. But not like she was going to eat it, because picky eater. But I guess we have got a thumbs up from somebody who doesn't give a thumbs up to every dish that she tries. So I am glad. Do you think they should give this a try?
Absolutely, I think ये हमारे normal sandwiches पे एक twist है, so we should try. And आप अपने हिसाब से इसको toppings and everything आप अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हैं, अपने taste के हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. And हमारे snack time के लिए I think it's a perfect snack. You can try it, experiment it with any drink. Maybe we have tried it with chips and Coke. So yeah, I think it's a perfect snack.
Really, like she said, Coke के साथ try करो यार, बहुत मजा आएगा. You can make this for breakfast, Sunday breakfast, or any evening snack. And when you have your friends come over, it is very easy. I am going to write down the whole recipe in the description box with the ingredients, so do not worry about that. And if you try this, please tag me on Instagram and share your pictures. I would love to see you recreate it. And if you recommend this to somebody, let me know. Leave a lovely comment below if you like this video. Thank you so much. I am going to see you in the next video. We're going to just जल्दी से ये फिनिश करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मैं बहुत भूख लग रही है. Even when I was making the sandwich, I just wanted to gobble it. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. And yeah, till then, find out what you love and do a lot of it. And do you want to say something? Any message?
Let me know if you want to see me in another video.
Yeah, so let me know if you have any ideas for the both of us. We would love to try. So that's it for today. I love you all, and I hope you love this recipe and this sandwich as much as I do. And again, go crazy with the recipe, go crazy with the ingredients, and just have fun. बाय।
Till then, bye bye.